Take our action spring and guide rod assembly, push it forward, lift it up just slightly. You'll notice that it has tongue on it here and a groove here, tongue on this side, groove on this side. I'll show you that again. It's in its tongue and groove. Push it forward, raise it up, withdraw. There's a detent there. It acts as its own spring. Once it's out of that, oftentimes it'll come loose, and this one is loose enough to where it rotates up. Looking here on the top, this portion has a flat for clearance. Grasping the upper handguard assembly, pull it straight up and back. Okay. Now, to take the handguard off of the metal portion, here's our bolt. Let's go ahead and take it apart at this point. We've got to take our firing pin and extractor assembly out. There's a pin right here, pinhole, you can see. And a pin goes all the way through, and that retains your firing pin. Sticks out on this lug right here. Tap it out. Set it aside. Withdraw the punch. If the firing pin doesn't fall out, you can push it out through the breech face. Once it sticks out the back, you can grasp it and withdraw it. Set it aside. Now here's our pin. Now we're going to put this in the gun. First things first, be aware these legs like to catch on everything, so this can be exciting. Start those two legs down in towards the rear. Remember the cutouts on both sides of the receiver for the hammer to drop through. Slide it back and then down so it'll fit underneath the two rails. Slide it forward. Once we have the hammer so far close to its pivot hole, the two legs of the spring are going to flop down through this hole, cause you problems. Just be aware. Grabbing the hammer, press it down. Line up the hammer with this hole. Start one of the pivot pins. They're the same, so it doesn't matter if you get them mixed up. Again, jockey the hammer around until the pin will fit up and come through. Flush on this side. Now we're going to put in the safety.